Hello, today we'll be introducing Pipedream by Atlatl Software, showcasing the visual configuration of a piping system and its integration to Onshape. After opening the application and getting logged in, I'm going to be presented with our empty grid space that we call the scene, where I can begin my configuration. I'm going to start with a straight pipe and stretch it to 34 inches using the on-screen affordances. I can drag and drop additional parts, such as elbows and straight sections, to snap directly to the configuration. Here I'm demonstrating additional functionality such as part rotation, viewpoint manipulation, drag and drop part adding, and segment stretching, all using on-screen touch gestures. Once my system is complete, I can adjust the material values to aluminum, brass, copper, or any of the specific values available to the manufacturer as listed in the options panel below. Then, by using the viewpoint camera, you can zoom and rotate around the 3D rendering, seeing a full 360-degree field of view of your system, gaining multiple perspectives. Seen here, I can change the diameter of the pipe by using the slide affordance, which is an example of how additional adjustments can be made at any point before saving. Now that I've completed all adjustments to the system, I'm going to save the configuration, and a quote or proposal is then generated. After saving, drawings will be automatically added to your quote. I want to quickly preview our 2D and perspective drawings of the newly created configuration. These can be viewed at any point during the design process. Now, moving to QuoteBooks, we can see here is an example of a finalized PDF quote generated through the QuoteBooks software based on the configuration you made in the Pipedream application. This quote is automatically populated with specific parts that were selected in the 3D configuration process. These parts are linked directly to your pricing. The quote details are then followed by 3D perspective images and 2D drawings of your configuration. Lastly, at the bottom of the quote, you will see your company's specific terms and conditions. Now moving to the Onshape integration. We begin in an existing Onshape document with engineering models. From here, we open our Pipedream configuration file. Our integration service will now transfer this configuration to Onshape. Our integration ensures the parts are sized, oriented, and connected according to the configuration you designed in the Pipedream application. This integration facilitates any engineering review and subsequent manufacturing of the product. Thank you for your time and consideration. For more information or to schedule a demo, please utilize the attached contact information.